Here we have a Porter cable pancake compressor. It goes up to 135 PSI and with a delivery of 9.6 at a PSI of 90. It is a 6-gallon pancake compressor in absolute pristine condition. It's not abused, it's not rusty, it's clean. It's been well maintained, and we'll show you how it operates in just a moment. As you can see, the pressure's been holding here for about the last 25 minutes. And we'll turn it on and show you how it operates. Just turn the on-off switch on. And we'll drive a few staples. And as you can see, it drives the staples with ease, no problem, into some 1-inch pressure treated wood. And so for most of your general around the house use, unless you're a major contractor, this will certainly serve your needs. And as the pressure bleeds off, it'll come back on in a moment. I'll bleed a little pressure off. And there you can see that the obviously the shutoff valve works fine and as advertised. And as we bring it up on its side, we can see that the drain valve down below is not rusted or corroded. And so there we have it. Well maintained, ready to go, looking for a place at your house.